it's Nick with the Tutorial Arena. This is going to be a tutorial for how to make a basic chat spammer in Visual Basic 2008. Resize, make it, say, chat spammer, fix dialog so it's not resizable, and maximize box false so you can't maximize it. Add a button and a text box. Make the button say start. Add another button, and this one will say stop. Okay, we have the GUI set. Now we're going to add some code. Double click on the form load, button 2 dot enabled equals false, and double click start. Button 2 dot enabled equals true. Button 1 dot enabled equals false. So then when we click stop, button 2 dot enabled equals false, button 1 dot enabled true. So if we run it now, what we're gonna get is that won't be enabled. Click start, it will be enabled. Click stop, it won't be enabled. So it's just over and over again like that. Now here's the code for making it say this. We're going to use the send keys function. So go for a timer, drag that there. It won't show up because it's not there. It's down here. We're gonna put false intervals. The higher this is, the slower it's going to keep saying what's there. So double click on start. Also add timer 1 dot enabled equals true. This isn't if you can view it or if you can click it. This is if it's ticking. And then timer 1 dot enabled equals false. Now we're going to do every time the timer ticks at the interval, send keys dot send text box 1 dot text, and then after it sends the text, it's going to send enter. Send keys dot send in quotes and in curly brackets in quotes and in all caps enter. So now if we debug it, open Notepad, type something in, click start, and then click here. It says it pretty fast because that's how fast we set the interval to. If you set it a higher rate, then it'll say it faster. You can get creative. You could add a track bar. Track bar 1 dot value equals, yeah, you can fool around with that. You can make it so it sets how fast it goes by using the code for the value. If the value is something, then you can change the intervals. So yeah, you can get a little creative with this idea. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.